There are millions and millions of blogs out there, but majority of them are not successful because they are not following the formula that I'll be showing you in today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start a blog and be successful in 2019. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll be giving away something special. So be sure to stay until the end of this video. Okay, so let's start with the first thing here. So the first thing is choosing a niche. Now, it's important for you to choose a niche because you want your blog to be associated with something very specific. Let's say, for example, you're creating articles, videos, or podcasts around fitness for the above 40s. So when people come to your website, they're expecting one thing, and that is how to be fit over 40s. So it's very, very important that you choose a niche because this is what a lot of websites or a lot of blogs get wrong right from the get-go. All right, so let's move on to the next thing. Now, once you've selected your niche, you want to choose a domain name. Now here you can choose a domain name which is even your own name. It doesn't really matter, or it can be a name which associates with your niche. All right, so moving on, let's talk about the hosting. So this is an area which is very important and you need to get it right from the get-go. So there are a lot of companies out there that recommend hosting, but in my research, I've come up with two companies, and that is SiteGround and Flywheel. One is self-hosted and the other type of hosting is managed hosting. So there are differences between these two. Managed hosting is a bit more expensive because they do quite a lot of things in-house. For example, they take care of your security, it's much faster, and also they do the caching of the website, making sure that it's really fast, and also the support is good. Now, when it comes to self-hosted, this is where now you have to add in your own plugins to make sure that your WordPress website is optimized. So these two options allow you to set up WordPress very, very easily. So once you set up your hosting with either Flywheel or SiteGround, it will allow you to set up your WordPress website really, really fast. Now, when it comes to WordPress out of the box, it's not very user-friendly. It's not very easy to create professional looking websites. And this is why you need a page builder. And again, there are quite a few page builders out there. There's Elementor, Beaver Builder. There's quite a few out there, but the one that I recommend is Divi. I've used this for over 7 years. Now, the reason why we're choosing a page builder here is to make sure that we can customize our website much, much easier. And also we need to brand it, make it look really nice with colors, fonts, and alignments and all that good stuff. So this page builder makes it very, very easy to achieve that. Okay, so let's say you've designed your website. It's looking very professional. The next step now is to choose affiliate products that go with the niche that you've just selected. So let's say you've chosen fitness. There are supplements that you can promote. There's also gyms that you can be an affiliate of. So what you do now is, and this is where the money comes in. So once you select your affiliate programs that you partner with, this is where you create content and recommend products to your audience. So this part is what a lot of blogs miss, and this is how a lot of people are making money out there. So there are several niches out there, and all these niches have different affiliate programs. So let's say, like for example, in my case, I can promote hosting, I can promote page builders, I can promote course hosting platforms, and so on, because my area is how to make money online. So this is very, very powerful, and this is why I recommend that you start off stage one with selecting a niche. Okay, so once you've done that, now the type of content that you can create are videos, it can be audio, it can be articles. So all this will have to have an affiliate link that promotes whatever product that is in your posts. So these companies, they pay commissions either by depositing the money into your bank account or via PayPal. So these are the two main payments. So for this system to really work, you're also going to need to be consistent. So when you produce your content, you try and find a schedule that you can work with so that all your readers, all your visitors to your website are expecting that particular content at a specific time. So if you choose to, let's say, produce a video every Friday, then you need to be sure that you're consistent with that, because this is how you get loyal fans or loyal subscribers to your website. So it's important that you really find a schedule that works for you. So if you want to do it, if you're a bit more ambitious, you could do it maybe twice or 3 times a week. But the more you create content, the more you're going to increase your subscriber base. So this is why it's important to create content. Now, when it also comes to content, there's 3 types you can create. There's video, there's audio, and there's articles. So the most effective one is video. SEO because YouTube is the second largest search engine. So whatever videos that you create, they are likely going to rank on the search result. Okay, so we've spoken about consistency. The next thing now is SEO. So these articles and these videos that you create, you need to make sure you do some serious SEO because you want to make sure that you're creating content for keywords that are easier to rank for. Because if you choose keywords that are difficult to rank for, your videos or your articles are just going to be buried and no one is able to find them. Now, when it comes to the look of your website, you need to make sure that it's branded. It needs to look professional. You need to choose your colors, your fonts, and they all need to look very, very consistent and very professional. And this is what creates trust between you and your readers. Okay, so the next part is also very, very important, and it's all about creating a mailing list. So when it comes to the mailing list, I made a lot of mistakes as well. Back in the day when I created my first blog, I did not add an opt-in form on my website, and therefore that was a lost opportunity. So what you want to do is to make sure that people are signing up to maybe a freebie or something that you're giving away so that they're added onto your mailing list. So the advantages of having a mailing list is every time you produce your content, you can also email all your subscribers, letting them know that your content is out. So this is the best way to communicate with your subscribers, because relying on YouTube or relying on social medias, all their algorithms change and you can't really rely on them. And if worst case scenario, you get banned, there's no way of getting those subscribers to connect with your website. Now, I know that when you look at this system, it seems very, very complicated and there's a lot of work that needs to be done, but don't worry. Okay, so I did promise that towards the end of the video, I have something special that I need to talk about, and that is a brand new course that I'm working on called Passion to Profit. So this is a course that teaches you how to create a profitable blog, even if you haven't created a blog before, or even if you're just brand new to this blogging thing. So this course initially is going to be free, and then later on is going to be paid. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is I really want a group of passionate people that want to create a blog to be the beta testers for this course. So if there's anything that I'm missing out, I'm going to be having some live sessions where, if there's anything that's not explained properly, I can just go in and tweak these lessons until everything is really, really perfect. So in return, perhaps maybe if you could do me a video testimonial on how you find the course. And of course, if you're successful with the course, it would be nice, of course, to talk about how far you've gone with the course as well. So this is the main reason why I'm having it for free to start off with. But like I said, it's very, very limited. I'm going to leave this on for about a week. After a week, we're going to start going into the content, and then I'll open up all these lessons, and then we're going to start discussing. We're going to have some live sessions, Q&As, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be recommending, a lot of tools that I use, a lot of software that you need to get started with. And also, if you're on a budget, I'll be also suggesting how to get started easily. There's a lot that's going to be covered here. I'll be also showing you how to create video content, how to create audio content, how to even create your own blog right from scratch. So there's a lot that will be covered. So if you want to go ahead and become one of the beta testers of Passion to Profit, then go ahead, click this link in the video description below and sign up for the course. So pretty much that's all I have for you. I hope this video has been beneficial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, because by doing so, you'll be notified every time I release more tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.